MS Dhoni is widely recognized as one of the best finishers and also one of the best captains cricket has ever seen. His decision to retire from international cricket has hit us really hard. We expected at least a year or two left in him, for even now there are very few who can outrun him in a race or stump as quickly as him. As we celebrate this legend's achievements in his 16 years of international cricket, Simli Chuma proudly presents 16 records set by Captain Cool. Number 1. In ODI career runs, Dhoni is at the 11th position with 10,773 runs. But in the 14 cricketers who have crossed 10,000 runs, he has the second highest batting average of 50.57, below only Kohli. Number 2. Dhoni's 183 not out against Sri Lanka in 2005 is the highest score by a wicketkeeper and the second highest individual score in ODI cricket in the second innings. It was equaled by Kohli against Bangladesh later on. Number 3. Dhoni holds the record for the most wins by an Indian captain in ODIs and T20 internationals and the most back-to-back wins by an Indian captain in one-day internationals. Number 4. He is the only cricketer to captain his side to the number 1 position in Test cricket, to bring an ICC World Cup win, a T20 World Cup victory and an ICC Champions Trophy victory. Number 5. The first cricketer to win ICC's ODI Cricketer of the Year twice. He won this award in 2008 and 2009. Number 6. Dhoni's 224 against Australia in Chennai is the third highest score by an Indian captain. En route to 224, Dhoni registered the highest test score by an Indian wicketkeeper when he was on 193, beating Budhi Kunderan's 192. It was also the highest score by a wicketkeeper captain, beating Englishman Alex Stewart's 164. Number 7. Dhoni has the most stumpings in ODI career with 123 stumpings, 24 more than the second most. Number 8. In most dismissals in ODI, he is ranked third with 444 dismissals, trailing only Sangakkara and Gilchrist. In Test matches, he is ranked 5th with 294 dismissals. And in T20 internationals, he is ranked number 1 with 91 dismissals. He is number 1 in all 3 formats when Indian wicket-keeping records are concerned. Number 9. With the bat, Dhoni has the second highest runs in one-day internationals by a wicket-keeping batsman. Dhoni has scored 10,773 runs and Sangakkara has scored 14,234 runs. But Dhoni has the best batting average of all the wicketkeepers though, which is an astounding 50.57. Number 10. As a captain, Dhoni has played 200 ODI matches, which is an Indian record, beating Azharuddin's match tally by 26. It is also the third highest overall behind only Ponting and Stephen Fleming. In T20 internationals, he has the record for the most matches played as captain with 72 matches. Number 11. MS Dhoni is the only player to captain 50 or more matches in each format. He captained India in 60 tests, 199 ODIs and 72 T20 internationals. Number 12. Did you know that Dhoni has the most consecutive T20 international innings without a duck? That is 84. Number 13. He is the only player to score 200s in one-day international cricket when batting at number 7 or lower. At 14th place, Dhoni has the most not-outs in one-day internationals, which is 84. And from all proper batsmen, the only person who comes near that number is Bevan, who has 67. Number 15. Dhoni holds the record for playing the most T20 international innings, that is 76, and scored the most runs, 1,153 to be specific, before scoring a 50. Still, he has a healthy T20 international average of 37.60. Last but not the least, at number 16, he has played the most international matches as captain, that is 332 matches. He went past Ricky Ponting's 324 matches during the T20 internationals against Zimbabwe in June 2016. What a life, what a career, and what a player. Dhoni, or as we lovingly call him, Captain Cool or Tala, we would cherish all the great things you have done donning the blue jersey, and we will not stop enjoying you achieve even bigger things with the yellow jersey for at least a couple of years. We will always miss you, Dhoni, and you have a spectacular second innings.